The fuck is he doing? Jordan, what are you doing over here, bud?
Well, cleaning, finding broken wires in a rat-infested car.
Rat infested. Check this guy. Check this out. Oh shit! Come on. Oh yeah, that's beauty. That's beauty right there.
You know what, buddy? I thought I'd just dress up like a giant seaman and swim my way through this car.
Anyway, what day is it?
Snap on Wednesday, bitches!
Oh, I already saw it, Tyler. I told my wife that I was going to get one. That thing is so nice. It's super cool.
I got them in black and red.
Oh, black's the way to go.
The Dixon jackets.
Oh, you got a Dixon jacket now. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
What's in the pocket there? Is that a tie?
No, it's a bottle cozy.
Oh, is it by Dixon?
The cozy? I don't think so.
Or you just put that in there because it's plaid?
I just stuffed it in there.
It goes well with it. Is it meant to be the same color? Is that?
Yeah,
It's
it's supposed to be.
So it goes together. That's cool.
You haven't seen those yet?
No.
Oh, there
I
you
have
go.
not.
See?
I have not. I haven't seen this yet either.
Yeah, new light with the 14.4 batteries. Magnet on the bottom. Obviously, if you have the magnet on the battery,
yeah,
it'll work that way
yeah,
too. Pivot head.
Well, that's pretty cool. I like that.
It is dimmable, like the other lights as well.
Yeah. Of course. That's really cool.
Oh, part number.
Yeah.
And it finally showed up. I ordered it at my August trade show.
Yeah.
The tank creeper finally showed.
That's cool.
4 big tires, fenders, and everything.
Sure good for like people that work on big trucks and stuff. Probably really like that.
Or just those people that are more robust than others.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really cool. I like that. This is it right here, right? The light, yeah. That way I don't have to talk. Just show people. It's great. 1100 lumens on high. That's pretty cool.
And we now have the large pick sets in all the colors: red, green, orange, high vis.
That's nice. What's the part number on that set? Oh, and then yeah, because you got HV at the end, yeah.
Yeah, HV is high vis.
Yeah.
Or R or G or O.
Cool.
Or whatever color you want.
Lots of new stuff today. Right on. These drink cozies with
Yeah, and cozies.
what are those on the back? Magnets?
Yeah, it's a magnet.
Oh.
Yes, it actually is strong enough to hold a full beer.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
What's it hang off
Oh, you got a beer cozy with a magnet on the back of it.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, yeah.
So there and there, you can
That's pretty awesome.
have it in.
I like it.
Oh, yeah. And it'll hold a beer.
Hold a full beer.
It will hold a full beer. I know, because I tried.
Well, you know, I quit drinking, so
Bullshit.
until tonight.
Yeah, until I get home from work.
So you quit for 20 hours?
Yeah, I quit
No,
drinking. at 11 o'clock last night. No,
this morning. 2 hours ago.
Actually, I didn't drink at all yesterday.
I did.
Yeah, you got me on the wrong time, Tyler. I quit drinking.
While I'm at work.
Yeah, well, I'm at work. That's a
all.
good one. I like that one. I hope you guys don't drink at work.
No. On weekends at my house.
Yeah, well, drinking at home, doing some breaks or doing an engine job or something, that's a different story.
So this would be reverse 12 point.
What?
Reverse 12 point, that would be, this would be...
That's a triple square.
That's a triple square, yes.
Okay, you can delete that part.
reverse. Jordan, what is a reverse 12 point?
Triple square.
There actually is both, okay?
Whew. Thanks,
Toyota uses a 12-point bit that looks very similar to that, but it is symmetric 12 points like a socket would be.
Okay.
They use that on their head bolts. The European guys, it's actually a triple square, called that because if you take 4 squares and overlap them, that's the shape of the bit. So the angle on the teeth is actually different. They are not interchangeable.
Yeah, we're using triple squares now for our head bolts.
Really?
Yeah, that's why I bought triple squares. Or, yeah.
I always think the thing's going to
triple
slip
squares.
off.
Yeah.
I don't like how they feel. But
The theory is there's more surface area in contact, right?
seen lots of 12-point head bolts. See lots of that. Joel's the only one in the shop with a triple square size for our head bolts.
No, Jesse does too.
Does he really? Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, Jesse and I bought them all at the same time because we were just starting to do the short blocks, so we both went out and got the tools that we needed to do it, so we weren't borrowing shit from people.
Or each other when you
Yeah, exactly.
Good plan. So
Yeah.
your hands were cold?
Yeah, were your hands cold, Jordan?
No, why?
You said you were warming up your hands.
Oh, I was just
Because
I
you
was
had a
just
coffee in your hand?
joking.
Is that
There's
why?
a fan with a heater attachment for you. So you can sit there,
Oh.
warm up.
Waste my boss's electricity. I like it. Waste my boss's electricity. No, it's a thermal imager, Joel,
What about it?
so that I can see the blood flow come back.
Oh yeah, we were checking his hands out with the thermal imager.
This
He's
one's
got
all
like no blood circulation in like 2 of his fingers.
Oh.
They're like orange.
They're
orange, blue.
Yeah. The palm of his hand is red, and then it goes like orange, and then blue. I think it was. You had like your pointer finger.
Yeah, one
Your
finger's
first two,
warm
yeah.
and the other 3 are cold.
Yeah, man, oh man. Like how do you live life like that, man?
I don't know. It just goes numb for a couple days and it comes back.
Sometimes there's no option. You just got to live with it.
Ah, all right.
Nice.
Okay. Well, let's head back in the shop. Get some work done. All right, guys. Welcome back to Snap on Wednesday here in the shop. The toaster. I got myself a toaster. You guys probably remember as soon as I saw this thing come out and saw pictures of it at the SFC show, I wanted it so bad. So I got it. I'm gonna take it home. Obviously, I'm not gonna leave it at work, but it's cool as hell, and we're gonna open it up here in a second. How did I get the toaster? Well, I bought a 3/8 torque wrench. All right. So anyway, yeah, this torque wrench is just the 3/8 click type torque wrench. $400. Not really on sale or anything, but you know what? I needed one. The part number for this one is QD2FR75B. So it goes up to what, 75 foot-pounds from 15, or from 5 to 75 foot-pounds. And so yeah, ended up getting that. Ended up getting the toaster. We've been doing so many engines, and I've been borrowing 3/8 torque wrench from somebody So I just had to have one. So yeah, so many. In fact, I am doing an engine right now. I'm doing a customer pay engine on a Genesis Coupe. Swapping over a used engine that's seized up. I've done 3 or 4 this month so far. It's fucking crazy. So anyway, I'm gonna open this thing up. Let's have a look. Oh, come on now. Come on now. Move that down. So the part number for the toaster, if you guys are wondering, is SSX1AP128B. Obviously it comes in red, so that would be probably an R at the end if you bought it in red. So turn this thing over. It's metal, that's a good sign. It's not plastic. And there she is in all her glory. That thing is so cool. You guys gotta check that out, man. All nice chrome knobs and stuff on it. Super stoked. So I'm gonna take it home and make some toast. The only thing it doesn't do is the S logos on the toast, but whatever. So anyway, guys, I've got nothing else going on. Just busy as fuck. And yeah, that's all I got going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe. Remember to check me out on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, social media bullshit. Snap-on Collectors, Facebook, best place in the world. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next week. Peace out.